Hi everybody, मेरा नाम ऐश्वर्या है and I am a self esteem coach. But I am a girl also. I love to do hairdos, I love to do makeup, I love to do every single thing. So last time मैंने travel vlog किया था, उसके बाद I decided why not doing vlogs also because I enjoyed doing vlogs actually. So definitely with informative videos, I will shoot a vlog every week. So I don't know what I will take every week, but definitely I'm gonna bring something every week. So this time I am shooting my experience with Dyson Airwrap. So I don't have complete wala Airwrap, I have this one. So I want to show you what it has. It has hair dryer attachment. Um, it has a hair brush and it has curling barrels. So curling barrels, like I have two pair of curling barrels. So today I'm going to do my hair. Today I'm going to curl my hair and I'm going to use thicker one barrels, and I will tell you what is the use of both the barrels. So we are going to attach this barrels with this, and yeah. So first I'm going to comb my hair. That's a very easy process. Brushing is important because it helps you to entangle your hair. So I have done that, and it's important to wet your hair. So now I'm going to apply this Kerastase serum, just a drop. It will give shine to my hair. And the best part of Dyson is it doesn't hurt the quality of your hair actually. I am using this Dyson from last 1.5 months, and literally guys, I'm just enjoying it. Like, I have never found this kind of product ever. It's easy, no side effects. The technology is awesome. You are going to see this. So I have applied serum on my hair. So now I'm gonna partition my hair. I have done this. So I have divided my hair in two parts, and from here I'm going to just clutch them, and yeah, that's clutching my hair. Yeah. So I'm going to take some hair and I'm going to curl them. So why it's easy to do curl with this, so I'm going to show you. So first I'm going to tell you why we have two barrels. So we have done two partition of our hair, right? So I am going to use this barrel for this side of hair, and I am going to use this barrel for this side of hair, right? So yeah, I'm going with this now. So I'm going to attach this with this, like this. So now we are going to start the process, and I'm going to show you magic, guys. So I want to tell first, here are 3 buttons. This is on and off. This is heat, like अगर आप इसको पूरा नीचे करते हैं तो it's cold, पूरा ऊपर करते हैं तो it's super hot, and this is the speed of your fan. So I keep it medium heat and this, and I'm going to start. So yeah guys, if you feel like the curl didn't happen, you can repeat the process. Now I did it on super hot. So I can use this product with just one hand. That's the beauty of this product, and that's why I love it. I never give up on things which I love to do. I actually find out the way to do the things. So
Same, I love to do hairdos, I love to do makeup, and I know how to make up, I know how to do hairdos. So always I learn. I don't ever think about, okay, I can't do this. I always, ready to learn the things. So yeah, guys, this is my message for all of you. If you want to do something, if you want to learn something, do that. Just don't think you can't do that. Because nowadays it's very simple, very easy to learn anything, because we have internet, we have YouTube, we have a lot of other websites also. Whatever you want to learn, you can tell me in the comment box. I can tell you source also for doing that. If you want to see anything else, if you want to know about any of my routine, if you want to watch any other video related to me, you can tell me in the comment box. I will be happy to make that video and vlog, and I will be happy to share that, because my aim is to connect with you all people. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so that whenever I will upload new video, you will get the notification of that. And if you want any other updates, you can go to my Instagram channel or Facebook channel. I have given links into the description box. And if you have any kind of issues or problems, you can let me in the comment box, or you can personally message me or DM me on Instagram or Facebook.
As you can see, this side here are done, and I will come back after this side and will show you again. Bye bye. Guys, I'm done, and it just took me half hour to 40 minutes to do this kind of hair curl by using this Dyson product. So you can see somewhere it's tight, somewhere it's light. So I told you I'm doing a light curls. So yes, that's done. This is the final look. So I just brush my hair, and these are the light curls you can see. I'm in love with this product. It just took me, I guess, 30 to 40 minutes to do this look, and I'm just loving it. So before, I was not able to curl my hair by myself. I need to go to salon for my hairdo, for my hair things. But now I can totally manage my hair at home. This brush, I'm just loving it. I'm using this brush every alternative day, and it doesn't damage my hair. The best part of this product, that it does not damage my hair. The heat and the technology of this product is pretty awesome. As you have seen, it curls, it wraps my hair automatically. That's why the product's name is Dyson Airwrap. So yes guys, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have any comments, if you have any questions, you can tell me in comment box. I will definitely answer them. And if you want to see something else, if you want me to vlog about something else, you can tell me in comment section. I would love to do that. And definitely I'm loving vlogging. Definitely I'm a self-esteem coach, but this is also the part of my life, and I really want to connect with you people. That's why I'm loving now vlogging more, and I know I will definitely help you with your self-esteem. I will help you to be at your higher state. I will help you to reach to your fullest potential. But this is also the part of the journey. We will enjoy both parts. We will enjoy vlogging as well as informative videos. If you have anything in your mind, you can let me know in my comment box. And please subscribe to my channel for the new videos, for upcoming videos. And thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye guys, have a great day.